spiritual person. I'm not religious, but I'm very spiritual. And I think life had just got in the way over the last couple of years. I've been so busy and so rushed off my feet, through choice really, stupidly. And it's all been good though. I had a lovely time, but not allowing myself, I've just felt so, I was talking to Lisa, I've just been feeling really disconnected from spirit, you know, and she said, I think you might need to come on my retreat. So I juggled things around at home and I made the time. I'm so glad I did. So glad I did, because I realised now how much I needed it to ground myself again and go within. And yeah, it's been wonderful. It really has been wonderful. Lovely. Highly recommend it. I've got 2 friends who I know would love to do this next one as well, the next one that she decides to do. I'll be back, yeah.
So we'll be seeing you on another one soon.
Yeah, for sure. She works so hard to put all this together, and it's so professional and really, really lovely. And she covers a multitude of everything that people need to know. You know, it's been a pleasure. It really has been a pleasure.
Thank you for your time, Rebecca.
You're most welcome.
Look forward to seeing you on the next one.
Thanks to you as well.
You're very welcome.
You're a great team.
I know.